Finding it hard to create a subdomain? Don't worry, in this video I'm going to be walking you through how you can create a subdomain from your hosting easily without any issue. So without further ado, let's just go straight into the video. Hello guys, you're welcome. This is Kingsley from Blast Channel. In case you just joining me for the first time, please ensure you subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to hit on the notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload new video, or so that you'll be the first to get notified whenever I upload content like this. So you can see I'm actually logged into my dashboard. So you just navigate to your services and select the services. Then you now come to click on is log into cPanel. So once you log into your cPanel, just have to navigate, scroll down and navigate to where you have domains. So you just click on domains. Then from here, what you're going to be doing is just to quickly create new domain. So what I'm going to be doing, well, after I have my domain already, a domain, you can see I actually have domain this mytutorials.com.ng, which is already there and is on my root listed. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to be creating a subdomain for this particular domain. So let's say the domain I want to create now, it should be something like test. Let me say or let me just say app. So I'm going to just, it's going to be something like app, then you just put dots. Once you do that, that is all. So you're going to be app.thedomain.com. So I'm going to just do that. I will come now, click on, just leave everything the way it is. Don't click on this share the roots document, so that you have this which is going to be separate on its own, to create a folder for it. So I'm going to now click on submit. Once I click on submit, you must specify a let me use test. Let me use test at. So I'm going to just come here and enter test dot. So I'm going to now click on submit. So I'm going to, once I click on submit, you can see it actually submitted. The first one, actually, I think there are some app, it doesn't, probably it was stick. So you can see once I do that, you can see it has created the test at my domain.com. So you can see how let me just quickly create another one so that you see it's so, as I said, this is my domain, the main root domain. So I'm going to just go to the beginning here, and let me say I want to create something like let me say courses. Let me say I want to create courses dot, you can see courses dot, let me say that's the subdomain I want to create. Then I'll just come over here, leave everything the way it is, don't check this, then you click on submit. It's going to create another one for us. Let's see, that's created it also. If I scroll down there, you can see I have this and also have this. So that is the easiest way you can be able to create your subdomain. Just enter the subdomain you want to enter there, add those, then the domain, the boot file domain, the domain you want to create the subdomain for. So that's just how you go about it. It's actually very, very easy. If you follow this easy step, you should not be encountering any error. So I believe this might have actually solved your problem. And in case you're still watching this video and you've not considered subscribing to my channel, please, I beg you to please hit on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to get notified each time I upload new videos like this. Until next time, that will be all for now. Bye.